Hi there, it's me Silvio, Helical Piles of New York here. Back to Massapequa, Long Island for another helical underpinning project. Let me show you what we're doing. Another elevated house. We begun here 2 days ago. Preparing to underpin this existing foundation. As you can see, got a little bit of a dewatering going on here. High tide, as you can see here. This back wall has been underpinned already. We first underpin and support, then we build a new foundation on top of this one. Just across the canal, as you can see here. Alright. So, shallow water. And underpinning this existing structure. Okay, back inside here now, as you can see. Not only are we underpinning this existing structure, these piles are getting grouted as well. Helical pulled on micro piles. Because of the high water table here, we are encasing these piles in a very flowable grout, basically giving this pile an extra stability against corrosion. Okay, as you can see right here, some finished brackets already installed. Again here, let me turn around and show you. Okay, we're just about to prepare, busting out this concrete slab here and install a few more single helical pile cap footings. And we're going to build a concrete piers, then go up and hold the girders across, steel girders. Alright, let me get going. Let me finish. Hit you guys on the way back when our formwork is up so you guys can see kind of a progress we made. Alright, well, our formwork is done. We began pouring our foundation. Let me show you. All our helical piles have been installed. Our brackets right here on this side, as you can tell. Okay, this foundation has been underpinned. Inside, outside. Formwork is up. Our concrete's on the job. We began to pour this foundation. As you can see, our line pump has been set up over a wall. Let me show you. In the back wall here, take a look. And you can see nice and straight. Show you a little bit more of the views. Our brackets here. And here, this has been underpinned, saving the homeowner some money, utilizing the existing foundation and building on top of it. We're just across the canal, high tide right now, as you can see. Now on the far end here, guys pulling a little bit of concrete. We're beginning to top off over here. The middle walls already topped off as well. Let me get going. I hit you guys on the way back. All said and done. Alright. Finish topping off. We have to put the foundation. We're about to clean up. He's washing out. We're washing out our line pump. Now the elevated foundation port. You can see. You guys are putting the anchor bolts in. Our columns inside here for support have been put as well. Another finished project. On time, on schedule, as always. Want to see more of our videos? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook. Or visit our webpage at helicalpiles.com. This is Silvio. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll see you on our next project.